watching motorcycle.
Yeah, what kids are watching fucking motorcycle things?
Probably no one under 50.
Yeah, okay, Tatro. What are your I'm recording this, by the way.
Oh shit.
I know you know your analytics and all that for your channel.
We marked all kid friendly.
Why?
That's under 11, I think.
You think there's a kid under? You think there's a kid under 11 watching these movies?
Yes.
You're a liar.
They all have motorcycles.
You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get YouTube Kids.
You didn't have a motorcycle.
And see if these videos come up in YouTube Kids. And you know what? I guarantee they won't. I bet you cold, hard $50 bill.
Shit, you ain't got $50.
I got 50. I'll go down to the ATM right now and get a $50 bill.
If you had that, you would have paid me.
No, you never asked for any money.
Give me some money.
I'll give you some money. I'll give you cold, hard $50 if you can prove that there's an 11-year-old that watches your TV channel.
Yes, there is. They're in
Indonesia. There's an 11-year-old in Indonesia that's watching Tatro Machine.
A lot of them, there's a lot of females there too. It's like 40% of the audience. At least that's what it was a couple years ago.
Dude, he's just bringing data from a couple years ago.
Yeah, that's all I got. Okay, this doesn't work.
God, it's delicious.
What doesn't work?
Your brakes.
What? Yeah.
Did you adjust them rightly?
No.
You even looked at them ever?
Absolutely not.
Your mouse or something got free play?
What's that?
You got any free play in your mouse or something? Obviously not, because the push rod's tight. So we need a 5/8 and a whatever that is, half inch. Take that off too. So if I twist all this wiring off, will it break?
Probably.
Really?
There you go. It works.
Yeah, this isn't on.
Yeah, because that light totally enhanced the film right now, right? Are we taking this thing off or what?
Yeah. Oh, is that the... There's a whole bunch of half-inches.
What do you need? 5/8? It's probably out there. That's why he left. 5/8 is usually a big guy.
I left because I had to get a tool.
There it is.
Where's your heater, Keenan? It's cold.
Well, you're here. I thought you put enough hot air out to make it frigid.
Dude, I'll fart up a storm. Don't even try.
Yeah, probably would too. Okay, so that spring is stiff. See it? Walker's doing a good job framing himself over the corner over there.
Yep. Checking stuff that's more important than this.
We still haven't not got this piston all the way back yet. See, he should be over here watching what's going on.
Yeah, because I'll have hydraulic brakes one day.
You're gonna have any brakes someday. It would be nice.
I got a mechanical drum.
Here, see the difference now? We finally got free play in the Master Cylinder. Look at that.
Is that about how much you need?
You want something. When did I unscrew that thing? About 3/16 of an inch? One more. How many threads are showing?
There was a lot of threads showing.
Yeah, there was.
So you have that much free play now. So in here, there's a piston down in here and a push rod. The lighting on? No more. boots in the way. So you want the piston in there to have free play when you move your pedal. So if the piston does not return all the way back to that snap ring that's in there, then the hole never uncovers here to let fluid back in the system to let it bleed. It also keeps the brake on all the time, so this starts getting hot and it starts working more, and it gets hotter and it gets more pressure, more pressure, more pressure, because you're holding a piston on, it won't release. There's 2 holes up inside there, and you have to release. The hole has to open up for the fluid to get back from there into here. And the piston's all compressed in there, it never gets back, and then you burn up your brakes. Makes the bike go slower at the track too.
I never knew that.
That's because you don't have any brakes on your bike.
Yep, mechanical brake drums never fail. Never fail.
Now you got, they just don't work now.
Yeah, if they're always failing, you can't always, you know.
Okay, so you can break that off. Where's 7/16? You can get that wrench yet?
You didn't ask us for that one, buddy.
You always turn it in. Get the hammer on the sideways. Get all the crap out of the way. So you're not filming what you're doing over here.
I got a 3/8.
You get all the crappy tools out of the way and get the one you need. That's the one I want.
Got it.
Now, why is this lid open? That lets air in there, moisture.
Yeah, it'll go bad.
It will. Oh, there's no oil fluid in there. That's a little loose.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't be like that, should it?
It would helpful if it was actually tight. That stops air leakage and fluid leakage. That means it doesn't want to bleed, and it also means it'll leak when you hit the brakes. That's loose. Who did that? I didn't put it together. Okay, we got to pull this off now so that we can adjust this tighter.
So that means you're gonna have to take the exhaust off.
And somebody put the fluid on here. So now we're gonna make a mess by putting this back on top to try to save some of the fluid. This appears to be an 8M something.
Can't read it because of the glare, because there's a light on.
How about if you go this direction, it says GMA on it.
GMA, huh?
If you do it the other way, it's not. It's MA something. Where's your wrench?
What size?
Small. Screw it, boss.
That's gonna be a fun spot.
Use the T-handle one.
How are you gonna get in there?
I don't know.
With the T-handle.
It's your bike.
Just tighten it down by hand and then give it.
I'm not the one to put this bike together. Just put a stupid acorn out right above the master cylinder. You got a 5/16 socket with a wrench. This isn't even the right size wrench you gave me.
That's what I used. Just take it off. It's just.
Wrong angle.
Uh-oh.
What?
My friends are here.
I'm not here though. Where's your 1/2 inch at? Where's your extension? There we go.
There we go.
Good.
Tighten.
Acorn nuts suck. They're in the way of everything. We got more room. Where's the other one at? Give me a big Allen for these. Let's use one of the Allen sockets and get tighter. Is it this one or the small one?
You're always dropping everything for me, huh?
Dropsies.
Oopsies. Oopsie doopsies.
Gotta get this loose before it gets too tight. You got it. Stop. Okay, where's the 7/16? So just over here.
Right there.
Oh, I can't loosen this. You get this loose. Okay, it's loose.
Did you tell me to take that off?
Yeah, you absolutely did.
Okay, let's get that thing out of here. What are you waiting for?
Oh my god.
It's already
You think
out.
he says the same stuff when he's by himself?
Oh, absolutely.
How much fluid come out of this? Now,
Did
did
you
you
put fluid
did you
in
put
it?
anything on this fitting at all, or just leave it dry?
Should be Teflon, right? Teflon tape should be on there.
Did you put anything on there besides
Or some
liquid?
goop?
Did you put any kind of goop on that at all, or
I didn't put that in there.
Hey, we're out back!
it looks kind of goop free?
Yeah, it does.
Here you go. Don't lose that.
Yep.
See any goop on there?
Negative.
I see brake fluid on it, but no goop. Where's your goop?
I don't know.
You don't know.
It's definitely not that White Claw.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, gents?
Give me some goop.
Tatro, how you doing?
No, I'm not here today. Where's the goop?
Trying to find goop. How you doing, fellas?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
Fantastic.
This thing is sick.
It is. It's fucking bitchin', man.
There. Hell yeah. I love me a good swing arm. Yeah, dude, that's a sexy swinger right there, dude.
Or a bad one. Whatever.
Is that Mullins? The trees?
Yeah, they look like Mullins trees.
Yeah.
I machined him so that he could put a headlight on there.
No shit.
Yeah, like bolt it right in.
Yeah, you gotta drill. We drilled the hole and countersunk it so it's nice and smooth.
Damn, that's sick.
Is that just a factory?
It's got goop on there now.
Are you sure?
I saw it.
Oh, it's tight now. That tight enough? How tight do you want that? How many spaces do you have in there?
Walker started out with one
These.
recording,
Yeah,
and then I moved it to
yeah. I get way more money doing this.
way more money.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Than your porn recording.
yeah.
Yeah, we pay heavily around here.
I kept on zooming into all the dicks. It was,
Someone who watches porn, that's what you want to see.
yeah.
My case
I get it.
also
That's the
like
point
this,
of it, I thought.
So you put that strap on it.
That's busted.
I think I'm just gonna run it.
Okay.
Wait, run what? Which one?
A generator without a strap for a little bit. So I can get my case.
Does it work?
recorded.
It should.
Did you
Should
try?
work.
Did you try it?
Oh, we're putting.
It hasn't
Putting
been
brakes
tried
on
yet.
there.
Nice. Brakes are cool.
Wait, what do you need brakes for?
I don't know.
Yeah, they were giving me crap about not having any brakes on mine.
Just
Mechanical, man. Yeah, it's just
get out.
yeah, downshift and get sideways.
What your boots are for, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there's your line. What's that?
The end.
That's called a brake closing fixture. Where's
Oh,
your pumping tool at?
right there.
Well, I can't pump it or anything like that.
What do you got?
Well, your pushing tool.
We can take this thing off.
You can use a pecker.
Use a packer.
You want to take the plunger off?
Oh, there you go.
What's that?
Feels good.
Same thing.
I haven't popped my
Same,
finger yet.
same exact thing.
Different
No, it
tools.
squirts you, and we know it's good.
So I can squirt.
It's so hot. Look at that action.
This is.
Yeah, and you said this was a kids channel.
11-year-olds
years
in
and up.
Saigon.
Yeah.
Okay, push it and hold it this
I
time.
watch Tatro's videos at work and get in trouble.
Let the air out, close it. Slow down. Open it
Don't
up.
pump it so hard, buddy.
Okay, let it go all the way back.
Gotta do
Ready?
the
Now push.
long stroke it.
Full stroke, dude.
Oh, yeah! And that's the money shot.
That's awesome, good thing.
Now, where's the air at now?
Up the top.
It's in my fingers right now. There's no air.
That's called purging, sweetheart.
Yeah.
The problem is when I let go of this, it's going to dump into there.
This is gonna get so many likes.
Yeah. Ready to bleep everything out here.
Once we get done editing all the gay shit out of it.
Yep. No, we're put more in.
Push.
There's not enough.
Screwdriver. Over there.
Ate Two Live Crew tonight.
Push.
Oh, okay.
Where at?
Where?
Yeah, it's at Deja Vu. We're going.
Trolls Under the Bridge, the one over
Yeah.
in East County?
No, that's Little Darlings.
Oh, okay. Where the fuck is Deja Vu?
It's on Midway. It's in Point Loma.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
See, Walker missed
Oh
it.
wait, I've been there. We went there for my friend's bachelor party.
Whatever.
Briss, your friend's Briss.
Walker's talking about his boyfriends and he forgot about what we're doing here.
Hey, I know exactly what we're doing here. Nothing really matters. We got the money shot already. This is just,
Which one did you like?
Everyone stops watching after that.
yeah. If you keep on watching after the money shot, man,
That was tremendous.
Okay, put that in there.
Oh, I was gonna send this to you, but now I got two devil dogs in the room.
So
Here.
brakes are half done already.
there you go.
It's bled all the way up to there anyway.
So that wasn't done. That was just the pre.
Where's the bleeder at? You gotta get that rubber off up there.
Oh my god, look at Alice's razors.
Those are hard, dude.
Maniac.
What's that?
Rubber.
For what?
Something you never know about.
Damn straight. Raw. Tatro machine raw. Dude, yeah, Tatro.
Growing up.
Yeah, dude. We should put this up on Pornhub. You'd get so many more fucking followers.
There. That popped it finally. Okay, so once he's done with all that, we put the brakes together and then we hook it all up. And we'll bleed it.